Hi, did you know that your brain is inherently lazy? While it's only 2% of your body weight, it consumes a massive 20% of your available energy and your available oxygen. Now, this can create a problem, especially for leaders who are trying to manage the rapidly changing environment of business volatility and business uncertainty, and also managing the competing demands that are upon them these days, which put a huge amount of pressure on their thinking. Now, the brain will always go for the easy way out. So if you have two competing demands, like the need for immediate results versus the need for long-term strategic thinking that will give you ultimate success, or you need to think about the business and its profitability versus the needs of the people who actually make the business a success, the brain will be inclined to think about either one or the other. Where what we'd like to introduce is a new way of thinking, a new mindset, and it's called paradoxical leadership, because that enables us to be able to think about two conflicting or opposing ideas or concepts or demands at the same time and develop a mindset of both and rather than just either or. Now, that takes up a lot of energy, and therefore you need to be very mindful of your brain's energy and how to conserve that energy and use it wisely. So come and join us for our workshop about paradoxical leadership, how to succeed in a rapidly changing world. It's on Wednesday, the 23rd of October at 12:30, and you can come and join us by registering today and just click on the link, and we look forward to seeing you there. Cheers.